The Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport has teamed up with Guardian Life Limited to provide group health insurance for Jamaica's entertainers and creatives. The contract was officially signed on Tuesday at the ministry's Trafalgar Road headquarters. More in this report from Danita Rodney.
The Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport has partnered with Guardian Life Limited to launch the Jamaica Entertainers and Creatives Insurance Plan, or JECIP. The initiative will provide health insurance for members of the creative sector. At Tuesday's signing ceremony, Guardian Life's Group President of Life, Health and Pension, Eric Hussein, says the plan delivers on a long-awaited commitment to support entertainers and creatives with access to quality, affordable health care.
Today's event is more than a formality, my friends. It is a tangible commitment to an idea that has been long in the making, that those who give us so much through their talent, creativity, and cultural contribution should also have peace of mind and protection in the event of life's twist and turn through access to quality, affordable health care.
He adds that the program gives the industry a much-needed safety net after years of uncertainty.
Yet for too long, many of these same practitioners have worked without the safety net of health insurance coverage, often leaving them vulnerable in times of injury and illness. The introduction of a health insurance plan under JECIP changes that narrative. It provides a foundation of security, dignity, and peace of mind to those who often work outside traditional employment structure, but contribute immensely to the culture and economic life of our nation.
Portfolio Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange, in her speech, describes the plan as a game changer for the country.
The introduction of health insurance for entertainers and creatives in Jamaica, it is considered a game changer, as not many, in fact, no small island developing states or developing countries have instituted a similar program. This program is unique to us.
The minister also outlines some of the benefits included in the coverage.
It covers loss of limb, am I right? It covers maternity. It covers doctor's visit. It covers hospitalization. It covers overseas. So you're well covered. Man, you know, it doesn't go into millions of dollars because there is a limit, but it covers the basic needs.
Several entertainers and creatives received their health cards at the launch, marking the official start of the new insurance plan. For the news on PBCJ, I am Danita Rodney.